How to fix "Unfortunately, Candy Crush Saga has stopped" error. If you ever receive an error message where it says "Unfortunately, Candy Crush Saga has stopped," it indicates that the game has encountered a critical issue and has crashed. This issue can be caused because of various factors such as bugs, corrupted data, or conflict with other apps. So in order to resolve the issue, simply follow the steps. The first thing you can do is to restart your device. Press and hold the power switch and then tap on the power off button and restart your device. Sometimes a simple device restart can help clear temporary glitches and help you solve your problem. Another thing you can do is to update the game. If you're not using the latest version of Candy Crush Saga, it might go through crash issues. So go ahead and open up your Play Store, search for Candy Crush Saga in the search box. Once you find the Candy Crush Saga game, make sure to look for the update button and hit update if available from this page. Once you update to the latest version or the frequent release for Candy Crush Saga, you'll be able to fix bugs and improve stability. So that might help you solve your error. Once you perform this step, you might be able to fix your issue. But if it still doesn't help, the next thing to do is to check for system update. Also make sure that your device's operating system is up to date, since outdated system software can sometimes cause compatibility issues with the app. So go ahead and open up Settings app from your Android app drawer, and then from the Settings menu scroll down and tap on Software Update. Tap on Download and Install and check if there is any software updates available for your device. If there is any, make sure to download and install the software. And after you do that, go back to your Candy Crush Saga application and launch it open. After you perform this step, you might be able to fix your issue and get back playing Candy Crush Saga like nothing happened. But if you are still not being able to resolve the issue, you can simply go ahead and delete your Candy Crush Saga application from your device and reinstall it back again, and that might help you fix your issue. Those were some of the fixes you could try out if you are having trouble with Candy Crush Saga and it keeps crashing or stopping. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button and press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll be back again with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.